All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. You know, the year started off on an amazing note. Yesterday was amazing. Of course, we are approaching, the second day of the month. It's crazy that we're already one day in to the year of 2025. But we did start off on a really positive note. A major bounce for multiple coins across the market. You could see double-digit gains for multiple assets across the board, which is of course really nice to see. If you're looking at Hbar to be specific, it's up 10.2% right now in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at 29.2 cents, up 6.1% in Bitcoin comparative market cap at $11.2 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.2 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So now if you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, you are looking at the Dominance Index pretty much going down, as you can see this for yourself. Dominance Index continues to fall down, and this has really brought in a lot of excitement towards the altcoin market, specifically Bitcoin right now as well. If you're looking at Bitcoin, it has reclaimed back above $96,000, approaching $97,000 going into Thursday morning. You couldn't have asked for a better start to the year of 2025, and Bitcoin pushing up to the likes of almost $97,000 while dominance is continuing to fall. This is what you want to see happening. And if you've been following the channel over the last few weeks, you guys know your boy Crypto ZX has been quite clear. Even though we did see a retracement, I did personally say that we will see a market bounce at the beginning of the year, especially leading into the January 20th, because of course that's when Donald Trump comes into the office, and that is a major deal. A lot of people are excited about that, and you are seeing the market really reacting in a very positive way to that. But now let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price. Of course, this right here is the daily time frame, so we're going to be focusing on the closer time scale, of course the hourly. So let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame here. Let's give it a refresh live. Here we are, guys. So if you're looking at the that's not Hbar. We need Hbar, not Casper. So here we are, a beautiful bounce for the broader market. So of course, like I said, everything reacted positively, as well as Hbar, as you can see. And we're back in the 0.50 fib zone. Not a lot of haters are going to be happy about this, and I repeat, there were a lot of haters. You're not going to see those same haters coming in and talking negatively about these projects, but when you do see the boring sideways of momentum, you're seeing a little bit of a retracement. People tend to really talk negative, and we were starting to see a lot of those comments coming in over the last few days, and here we are bouncing back like we never left into the 0.50 fib zone. So that's beautiful to see. And what's really beautiful is if you time this right, even at the beginning of the year at the 26.4 cents, if you picked up some Hbar around that range, you did see a 17% increase in a matter of just a few hours. We did make our way up to the 31 cents price point. Of course, major resistance around this range. I can really just look at it based off of just a consolidation phase that we've been in pretty much since December, as you can see. That same exact resistance is coming as a little bit of a hurdle for the price. But if you are an Hbar holder, you shouldn't want anything else. You would want to be happy at the fact that we're able to reclaim back above the 0.50 fib zone. Of course, we came very close to breaking below this, but you pretty much saw this support come in as a major level of support once again. And of course, the entire market bounce. You are seeing Hbar bouncing. XLM had a major day, of course, but I really believe US-based coins are really going to thrive in the year of 2025, especially as you are seeing a lot of major developments coming out for some of these big utility projects, a lot of ETF talks happening, institutional interest. So this can really have a major positive impact on the price action as well. You're looking at the price sitting in the 0.50 fib zone. Obviously, if we're able to close around this range, we could be making our way back up into the 38.2 fib zone. As far as the 38.2 fib zone is concerned, we have seen two different retests above that range. Of course, once was back on December 3rd, and one was, of course, on the 6th. Both times rejection, but that is, of course, where your eyes should be on right now, and then onwards onto the 23.6. But really liking, this setup that we're seeing. Nice, healthy consolidation. Obviously, one step at a time. If we're able to, break out of the key resistance at 31 cents, which we really retested a few hours ago, I really do believe that, we could start retesting the December 24th price points quite fast. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.